Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday morning, November 17th, 2022. Let's take a look at the daily bar chart, the swing projection dates. I had projected a low for the 16th. It looks like we should get that today on the 17th. We made slightly new lows overnight. We should reverse up and swing up here into the 22nd. I've confirmed this pivot date with another calculation from the Plato timing work. Here's the Astro Excel chart. The Astro Excel topped out on the 15th. We made high later that day, trading down with the green line. The green line bottomed on the 16th, about the minus 20 area. And then we've just been flatlining down around the minus 10 line since the middle of the day yesterday. And we're going to do that through today. So we've got lower prices printing here. As we get to this area here where the blue line turns up, that may be the beginning of where we start to see the upward pressure. And then the green line turns up the end of the day session today around 1800, then it's pushing up through tomorrow. So that is kind of confirming the indications on the daily bar. So we've got some confirmation there for trend on the Astro Excel. Let's take a look at the Vedic timing and the price lines. Here's the Vedic chart. You can see here that we're in this bright green window on the B1 panel, and that's indicating that we're going to get a low, a little bit of a more significant low in this window. So what I've done, most of these up at the upper part of the chart, just from where we're trading right now, were my price lines from yesterday, so you can see how well those worked out. And then what I've done, I've put some key downside projections here where we should get some good reversals off of, which we just hit the first one. Now remember, we want price and time for trading. I'm not going to give out any time points for today. I'm just going to give you these price levels. 39.37. The next key support levels will be 39.20. Call it 39.10. And then around 38.84 would be our lower level at this point right now. So we'll see where that goes from here. Anyhow, there's a little update on trend, intra-week trend, daily bar swing reversal pivot likely today, and some key levels for that to happen.